Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pizza quesadilla. Yummy. I make quesadillas probably 2 or 3 times a week for lunch. Usually I just use a tortilla and cheese, but I thought I'd mix it up a little bit and show you how to make a pizza quesadilla. Super easy to do, very few ingredients, no baking required, and usually kids really enjoy it. Great for like a brunch or for lunch or for dinner. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Okay, so really easy. I'm over here on my stovetop and I have a large skillet here, and I'm just gonna take my tortilla and plop it down there. I have the heat turned on to medium. And now what you can do is you can drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the top if you want. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I'm gonna take some of my marinara sauce. You can use whatever kind of your favorite pizza sauce is. And one of these days I will make a video on a really nice homemade marinara sauce I really like. Now I'm gonna just put this on about half, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take some mozzarella. Go ahead and put that on there. And let's go ahead and put some pepperoni. I like pepperoni. And then olives. But you can use whatever your favorite toppings are for your pizza. Totally up to you. You could do anchovies. I don't like anchovies on my pizza, but you might like anchovies on your pizza. So go ahead and try them out if you like. You can do a ham and pineapple one, whatever you want to do. And then I'm gonna come in here and just put a little bit more cheese on top. Now what I wanna do is I'm gonna just grab this end right here. I don't mind grabbing it, but you might wanna just use a spatula to peel it up. I always just grab it with my fingers. It's kind of hot, but it's all right. Now we're just gonna let this set for a little while, and the bottom's gonna get nice golden brown, and it's gonna melt the cheese, and then we'll just flip it over and we'll cook that other side for a couple minutes. So the whole thing takes about 5-6 minutes to make. Super easy. All right, and then what you can do is you can just come underneath here and check it. Looks like it's nice and brown. Let's go ahead and just flip this over and see what we can do. Perfect. That's what you kind of want it to look like, nice golden brown like that. And then we'll just get the other side like that. All right, let me give it a check. It's been a couple minutes. Looks good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on a cutting board and take it over to the table. Ready to serve. All right, our pizza quesadilla is done. Super easy, really easy to do. Now, what I like to do, you can eat it just like this. I like to just come in here and cut it into, hear that nice crunch? Oh yeah. There you go. Really, really, really easy and awesome. All right, there you have it. Simple pizza quesadilla. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mm-mm-mm.